Hi, this is the OPPO F19 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. Let's first open the Muviz Edge application, and here in AOD section you could switch the theme. Just select one from the available themes and tap to apply. You could also add the background to this theme just by swipe to the up or to the down. You could switch here music controls time to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show the notifications and show the date with the help of the switcher, and also the battery status, like to show it always while device charging or never. Let's go back, tap to X icon and switch AOD to the settings. Tap to always on display. Here we could show it and lock screen always while device charging on music. We could also use this option separately or together. We could decrease or increase the brightness level. We'll switch AOD timeout from 5 seconds to the never. Also, we could switch low power after timeouts, the screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape or reverse landscape, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, you could also close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use burn-in protection and pocket modes, and to disable also the AOD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on now OPPO F19. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.